Hello, potential investor. My name is Mike Locker, and you might have heard of me because I am very good at the internet. I've introduced incredible innovations into the online space, like Who's Pooping on Twitter, Muppets with People Eyes, and Wolfenstein 1D. So you're all welcome, and I hope you'll listen closely to what I have to say. Now, what I want to talk to you today about is not a website. Record scratch. Why not a website? I thought the web was huge. Wrong. The web is dead. How do I know? Simple. Look at this graph. This red line shows how much I think people use the web, and this blue line shows how much I think the web is dead, and this is a road stretching into the horizon. Now, I'd also like to say the names of some companies. Apple, Facebook, Random House, AirTouch, Crate and Barrel, Cracker Barrel, Chili's. These are all companies. And this is an @ flying out of a fireball with binary code behind it. Clearly the future of the internet is apps, and we have to winnovate the app stores. Record scratch. Hold on, you're saying. Mike, I understand that you are really good at the internet, but aren't app stores old news? Doesn't everything that already could have an app store have an app store? Well, this is an Ethernet cable in the desert, with CSS3 rising behind the mountains like a sun. What's big on the internet? Social. How do we be social? We communicate. And how do we communicate? We fax. I want to revolutionize the way you interact with the most central piece of technology in your life, your brother IntelliFax 2800. That's why I am thrilled to introduce to you the Brother IntelliFax 2800 App Store. We've taken the IntelliFax 2800 with its 20 page per minute copying speed, 14.4K modem, and full speed dial capabilities, and turned it into a world-class platform for gaming, entertainment, and business. So let's take a look inside the Fax App Store, or as we like to call it, the FAP Store. We have a Twitter FAP that means you can tweet while you're faxing. TomTom has created a turn-by-turn navigation app that means with your brother IntelliFax 2800, you will never be lost again. We have a Netflix app, and although the buffer time is a little bit slow, you'll be amazed when you see the final fight sequence of Avatar playing itself out on your IntelliFax 2800. Full HD and 3D support expected by the end of the quarter. Angry Birds has just come to our platform, and I think you'll agree the gameplay is just as addicting as ever. Once you download this FAP, you will not be able to put your IntelliFax 2800 down. Speaking of downloading FAPs, how's it work? Simple. Just dial 1866 FAP Store into your IntelliFax 2800. Print out the 57-page list of available FAP applications, find the unique identifier code from the rightmost column, enter it into the IntelliFax 2800, wait for the FAP request form to print out, write in your username and password, fax it back, wait 3 to 5 hours, and bam, you've got FAPs. Now, this is a question mark button superimposed over the computer from War Games. Let's talk about developers, which are key in any system like this. We want developers to love making FAPs. We want developers to be fapping all the time. That's why we've made it easier than ever to make applications. Just use our proprietary blend of Objective-C and ActionScript 1.0 entered in through the numeric keyboard, and your FAPs will be done in no time. Our review process is a breeze. We have a transparent 16-committee, 18-round review process that's guided by just a few key principles. Big picture concept, young user appropriateness, zero errors, application integration, nimble updates, technical soundness, intuitive interface, new features, and eventual roadmap. It could not be more transparent. Record scratch. Hold on, you're saying. Mike, I understand that you are crazy good at the internet, but why all the oversight? Why can't we have a totally open system, like for the Sharp UXB20? Well, I'd argue that the Sharp UXB20's totally open system is what's led it to pretty much be full of porn. The Sharp UXB20 is nothing but fax porn, and that is not the image we want for the FAP Store. Incidentally, don't visit fapstore.com. It's a website that sells sex toys. It's not us. It's not the same FAP Store. So I think by now you understand how great the IntelliFax 2800 App Store is, and it's only going to get better. We have a free Hulu app planned for the end of this year, full HTML5 support by the beginning of next year, and projected for Q3 of 2013, a longer cord. So I thank you for your time, and I hope by now you're as excited about the IntelliFax 2800 App Store as I am. I'd like to leave you with this image of a bridge spanning between Euros and a Chumby with Tim Berners-Lee in a Mobius strip and scalability spelled out in wind turbines. Thank you.